So in this video, I'm making a prosthetic sculpt for special effects makeup of the Cheshire cat from the game Alice Madness Returns. And I chose this character because I really love the game, and I've always loved Alice in Wonderland, and the Cheshire Cat's been a favourite for years. So in this video, I decided to go with that one because I thought it might challenge me enough, and because I just made this face cast, I was like really excited to use it. So this took me, I'd say, 4 or 5 hours, I think, in total to sculpt. The the eyebrows, the cheeks, there was a lot of work put in. I used cotton and latex for this because it's what I'm used to. It's the one that I like the most. I don't use third degree or scar wax very often. Well, I haven't used third degree at all. So it's just all cotton and latex pretty much. In the blue bowl, there's just regular latex, and in the smaller white bowl, it's thickened with a latex thickener. Just in case you wonder. So the process of what I did, I started off, I think, with the chin, and then I believe I went on to do the sides of the face, because I knew that I had to widen out the face, because the character, like from my reference photo, I can see that his face is a lot shorter than my face would be, so I had to widen it out a lot so it makes it look shorter. And I will be painting it and I'm possibly adding fur, we shall see about that. I'll be painting it, and that'll be a separate video, all the painting and putting it together. And then there will probably be a third video where I'm actually applying it to my face and finishing off the whole look and modeling it. So yeah, they should be coming relatively soon. The prosthetic is currently drying, and once it's fully dry and I'm ready, I'll paint it and get that video up. So yeah, I'll just leave it to the video for now. So I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.